EAN Type B or National Standard scaffolding is made of Q355B high-strength steel with a diameter of the vertical pole of 48.3 mm, a wall thickness of 3.2 mm, and a disc 8-hole design for flexible connection. The modular structure is easy to assemble and disassemble, saving labor costs, and is suitable for complex projects such as bridges, factories, and high-rise buildings. Ultra-strong load-bearing design, safe and stable, with hot-dip galvanizing process for corrosion resistance and durability, 33 years of quality assurance. It is a reliable choice for building construction.